Hey there and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo changes in Google Sheets. Whether you've made a typo, changed your mind about some data, or just want to experiment without worrying about your mistakes being permanent, understanding how to undo and redo changes can really boost your confidence and speed when working in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know a couple of simple techniques to easily fix errors or restore information, so you can worry less and work smarter. Let's dive right in. Now, first things first, if you've just made a change in your spreadsheet, maybe you typed in a value you didn't mean to or you deleted a row by accident, don't panic. Google Sheets actually makes it super easy to reverse your last steps. The most straightforward way is to go up to the top of your screen and click on the Edit tab. You'll find this in the menu bar right at the top of your Google Sheets window. Go ahead and give that a click. Once the menu drops down, you'll see both undo and redo listed near the very top. If you're ever unsure what these do, just remember, undo will instantly reverse your most recent action, whether it was typing, formatting, or deleting. Redo is there in case you undo something by mistake and decide you actually want that change after all. But let's make things even faster. If you've just entered some data and realize, oh, that's not quite right, there's a really handy keyboard shortcut you can use, and this honestly saves a lot of time. All you have to do is press Ctrl and Z together. That's Ctrl plus Z if you're on Windows or Command plus Z on a Mac. As soon as you press those keys, your last action disappears, almost like you just traveled back in time before that change happened. Trust me, once you get used to this shortcut, you'll be using it all the time because it works not just for typing text, but almost anything you do in the sheet. Moving columns, deleting cells, formatting, you name it. Say you accidentally erase a whole column of numbers, the undo shortcut is there to save the day. Now let's suppose you hit Ctrl plus Z one too many times or you realize, wait, maybe you really did want that change. No worries at all. You can bring your action back just as quickly. Press Ctrl and Y together, so Ctrl plus Y on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Z on Mac, and just like that, your change reappears. Think of Ctrl plus Z and Ctrl Y as a pair of magical buttons that let you move backward and forward through your recent edits until things look just right. And remember, if you ever forget the shortcuts or just prefer clicking, the Edit tab is always right there at the top. You can always access Undo and Redo from the drop-down menu whenever you need them. Some people like the reassurance of using the menu, especially if they're new or working with really important data. That's totally fine. So that's all there is to it. Undoing and redoing changes in Google Sheets is super simple, and getting comfortable with these tools can genuinely help speed up your workflow and give you the freedom to make changes without worry. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a like. If you have any questions or there's another trick you want to learn about Google Sheets, leave me a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.